guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back with another hair video. So today's video is featuring ISEE Hair, and let me tell y'all, this is a glue-in that I have in my hair right now. It is so pretty. It is so pretty. I love their hair. So soft. It looks really natural. Look how silky it looks. It's not a bad silky where it's like, okay, no, bitch, they look like baby doll hair. This is a good silky where it looks like it has like luster in it, and it looks like it will last for a long time. I am still going to test it out. I'm pro about this hair. I love how it looks. I love how it looks. It is very thin. That's a con about it. And then also, the curl doesn't last. Now, if the curls last, it would be bomb as hell. But I love the loose waves in this hair after my mom curled it and it fell. It actually is pretty like that. I wish that this hair will hold a curl. I haven't tried a side part in so long, so I said this is a good opportunity to try a side part with this hair, y'all. I'm telling you, side parts on me right now look bomb with a glue in. But yeah, it's so cute. The inches that they sent me were a 24, two 24s, a 22, and a 20 inch. I didn't use all four. I used a 20, 22, and a 24 inch because my head is not that big, so I only used 3 bundles, and then the rest I left. I will probably use it as a ponytail or something like that. Absolutely love it. I actually like it loose, to be honest. If you want to see how my mom achieved this side part glue in with these bouncy luxurious curls, keep on watching. First things first, this is ISEE human hair packaging in bundles right in front of me. I have a 20, 22, 24 times 2, and that was it. I didn't ask for closure or anything because I knew that I was going to specifically do a glue in. So this is a bundle. It's very soft. I got it in my hair right now and it's really soft. Most hairs tangle, especially when you fall asleep on it, and this one definitely is not. So let's get right into the gluing part. My mom glued a cap down to my head. She used some Morning Glory. It is basically a protector so that the glue won't seep into your hair and your hair won't come out. Obviously mine is kind of out, so that defeats the purpose. But my mom is taking a 24 inch right now, and she's basically sizing each track to my small peanut head and gluing the tracks on. Excuse my phone, I'm just all, y'all can see the whole phone and everything. Excuse it, I don't be doing nothing but looking on Instagram and videos. That's all I do. But yeah, she's just gonna size it, and the only bundles that she used was a 20, 22, and a 24. So as you come around, you're just going to go in at the part that you parted out, the shape that you parted out basically, and going round and round and round until you get to the top where your actual leave out is. The tracks are finally laid. Now it's time to basically set the hair and also frame it. So what she's doing now is frame my hair from the front on each side and also putting layers in the back so that my curls won't all be one. You want to layer it because if you do that, your curls are going to be like very bouncy, very full, and they're just going to be like all sizes instead of just all one. After layering, this is how it looks. It looks very full, but it actually isn't. Wait till she curls it. Y'all gonna see. So my mom is taking Eben gel, that's edge control, and she's basically swirling my edges. Y'all really couldn't see because her hand was mostly in the way, but that's what she's doing. And then she's going to blow dry it so that it can dry and get like kind of hard. I heard that some some edge control gels are very harsh on your hair and very bad. I don't know, but those are Babyliss curlers, y'all. I don't know what inch. I think those are, don't get me wrong, I ain't even gonna say it. I'll leave in the description bar below so that y'all can check it out, along with ISEE Hair. Don't forget to go check them out in the description bar below. So just gonna put some curls all into my hair, y'all. Nothing major. You've seen this so many times. If you want a detailed video on how to curl her hair and you don't know how, let me know and I definitely will provide that video for y'all. But that's it, y'all. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Until then, I'll see you guys. forget to go check out ISEE Hair in the description right below. Tell them that Marie sent you. And also don't forget to go check out the deals that they have on their site for bundles. If you're looking to buy some, I think it's a discount code. Check the description right below. I'll see you guys on the next video.